6 hours. That's how long it took the best human team. 9 minutes and 35 seconds. That's how long it took Claude. Same tasks, same robot, no human help whatsoever. Anthropic just published the results of an experiment that most people completely missed. And what happened inside that warehouse should make you stop and think about where AI is actually headed. Welcome to the AI Lab Report. I cover the biggest AI stories, what they actually mean for regular people, and why you should be paying attention. Before we get into it, if you want my complete AI tool stack as a free PDF, the link is in the description. Every tool I use to run this channel, instant download, completely free. Now, let's talk about Project Fetch Phase 2. Back in August 2025, Anthropic ran an experiment. They called it Project Fetch. The idea was simple. Take a group of regular Anthropic employees, not robotics experts, give half of them access to Claude, and send them both to a warehouse to complete a series of tasks with an off-the-shelf robot dog. Connect to its sensors, write programs to control it, detect a beach ball, put it all together and autonomously retrieve the ball. The team with Claude did better. Faster, more complete, less frustrated. But Claude itself? When Anthropic checked if it could do the tasks entirely on its own, it couldn't even connect to the robot. That was 10 months ago. AI moves fast. Phase 2 changed everything. Anthropic gave Claude Opus 4.7, their most advanced non-classified model, full autonomous control of the robot dog. The researchers' only job was to plug in a laptop running Claude code, type the initial prompt, and approve commands. That's it. No human doing the actual work, no safety handler at the controls. Claude making every decision, every movement, every line of code entirely on its own. Here's what happened. On every single task that at least one human team completed, Claude was at minimum 10 times faster. On the 4 tasks that both human teams finished, the team without Claude took 6 hours. The team with Claude took 3 hours. Claude Opus 4.7 operating alone, 9 minutes. And 35 seconds, 37 times faster than the team without AI. 18 times faster than the team that had it. So how did it do it? What made Claude so much faster than even experienced humans working with AI assistants? 2 things stand out. First, Claude picked the right path immediately. Where human teams debated between multiple approaches to connect to the robot's sensors, Claude identified the best option and went straight to it. No deliberation, no dead ends. Second, the code it wrote worked the first time, most of the time. The human teams spent hours debugging and rewriting. Claude produced almost 10 times less code than the team with Claude assistants and was equally or more successful. Less code, better decisions, no coffee breaks. Now, here's the part I actually love. After completing every technical task at a pace that made human teams look like they were moving in slow motion, there was one thing Claude could not do: fetch the beach ball. The actual fetching part of Project Fetch. Gently nudging a ball back to a home base required the kind of quick physical intuition, see where the ball went, adjust, try again, that humans do naturally after a few attempts. Claude struggled with it, got the robot into position, couldn't execute the precise, gentle movement to actually complete the task. It's a reminder that even when AI feels superhuman in certain areas, the gap between digital intelligence and physical intuition is still real. And after everything you just heard, that's honestly a little reassuring. So why does any of this matter if you're not a robotics researcher working in a warehouse? Because Anthropic identified a pattern here that's bigger than one experiment. They've watched it play out in coding, they've watched it play out in cybersecurity, and now they're watching it in robotics. The pattern goes like this. First, AI helps humans get further than they could alone. Then, humans help AI get further than it could alone. Then, models do it themselves. We just crossed into phase 3, in a warehouse, with a robot dog, and Claude code running on a laptop. What this means in practice is that AI is no longer just something that lives on your screen. Every major player is racing toward physical AI right now. Tesla's Optimus robots are in production facilities. Google's DeepMind has active robotics programs. Boston Dynamics is being rebuilt for AI integration. And now Anthropic has demonstrated that Claude, the exact same model you can open in a browser right now, can run a physical robot autonomously, faster than any human team, starting from nothing but a prompt. The race just got physical. 6 hours for the best human team, 9 minutes for Claude. No human in the loop. That's not a research paper result, that's a preview. The same AI helping you write emails and automate your business is learning to walk, navigate physical environments, and complete real-world tasks at speeds that don't look human anymore. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of what's coming. I cover exactly this kind of story every week. My free AI tool, Stack PDF, is in the description. And if you're wondering how this stacks up against what Musk is building with Optimus, that video is coming. See you then.